Hi everyone, today I will show you how to make green tea. I am going to make green tea in a carafe which has a capacity of 1600 ml. Now I will take a saucepan and boil the required amount of water. We need a temperature of 80 degrees Celsius, so we will first boil the water and then allow it to cool down to reach the desired temperature. Water temperature is a critical factor in bringing out the best qualities of green tea. If the temperature is too hot, the tea will be too bitter and much of its delicate aroma will be lost. And if the temperature is too cool, the full flavor of the leaves will not be extracted. Hence the temperature varies from 50 to 90 degrees Celsius depending on the type of green tea used. Now I will take a tea ball and add 3 teaspoons of green tea leaves. Now here I am using whole green tea leaves instead of a tea bag. While tea bags are more convenient and there is nothing wrong in using them, but loose leaf green tea is considered way better than the tea bags. Green tea contains a chemical compound known as catechins. Now catechins degrade over time. Tea bag tea may have been stored longer than the loose leaf green tea, which means fewer catechins present. Now here I am using the Twinings loose green tea. I also use organic green tea at times. The more green the green tea is, the more better is the quality. Also, green tea in the tea bags is more likely to be dust and fannings, and such tea does not give us the full flavor that one can get from preparing the beverage with loose leaf green tea. It is also said that there is insufficient space inside a tea bag for the leaves to be properly infused, and that is why the merchants have now come up with pyramid shaped tea bags. Tea bags are actually more expensive because a big part of the cost goes into the packaging of the product. Hence, I only prefer loose tea. One generally uses one tea bag, which is 2 mg in 1 cup, but as I am using loose leaf tea, which is more robust and can bring out the best flavors, hence my quantity taken would be sufficient for this carafe. Now, for those of you who do not have a tea ball, you may use a metal infuser, a tea strainer, or you may tie the leaves in a piece of muslin cloth. As you can see, the water has now begun to boil. Now we'll turn off the heat and let the water rest for 3 minutes for it to fall to the desired temperature. Now pour the heated water over the tea . Close the lid and allow it to steep for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, remove the tea ball . And now your green tea is ready. You may have this hot, warm, or even cold. Yes, you heard it right. Green tea tastes best when served chilled, according to me. Green tea is meant to be enjoyed in its original and unadulterated state. But if you want, you may add mint leaves, honey, or lemon juice for better taste. Green tea has innumerable health benefits. It helps in weight loss, good for diabetics, prevents tooth decay, and so on and so forth. See, even the mug says, against all odds. Green tea is known to be the healthiest beverage on the planet, that it's tough to think of a good excuse not to make it. Drink to your life, live healthy. Cheers.